Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial session on digital computer fundamentals. Today let us discuss about binary addition. First and foremost, let us see the rules of binary addition. When you are adding two bits and if one of the bit is a 0 and the second bit is also a 0, you get a sum as 0. If your first bit is a 0 and the second bit is a 1, you get the sum as 1. If your first bit is a 1 and the second bit is 0, upon addition, you'll get a sum as 1. Now let's see the last case. When you have your first bit as a 1, second bit is also a 1, your sum is a 0 with a carry 1. This is how we read it as. So this part is my sum and this is my carry. So if you see into this result very thoroughly, we have discussed how do we represent a 2-bit binary number. So 2-bit binary numbers can be represented in 4 different combination. This is nothing but my decimal 0, this is my decimal 1, this is my decimal 2 and this is my decimal 3. Now in decimal, when you add 1 plus 1, we get a result as 2. How is a 2 represented in binary? Nothing but 1 0. That is what it is here. So 1 plus 1 is actually a 2 which is represented as a 1 0 in binary. But in case if you are getting a 1 0 upon addition of two 1 bits, this 1 has to be taken as a carryover. So let's see with an example. Let's take the first example wherein we are adding a 0 1 1 with a 0 0 1. 0 1 1 in decimal is 3 and 0 0 1 in decimal is 1. So you should get a result as 4. Let's try adding this. 1 and 1, according to the rule it says 1 and 1 is a 0 with a carry. So my result 1 and 1 is a 0 with a carryover. According to the rule, I have provision for adding 2 bits. So let me add this bit and this bit. So 1 plus 1 is a 0 with a carry 1. 0 plus 0 is a 0. Now here 1 plus 0 is a 1. Again 1 plus 0 is a 1. So this is our result in binary form. Let's see whether this binary form is equivalent to this decimal form. How do you convert a binary number to its decimal? Multiply it with its weight and sum it up. So these are my weights. I'm starting from the least significant bit, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. So I'll have 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 0. So you have 1 into 4 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus again 0 into anything is 0. So this is nothing but 4 to the base 10, which is your actual result here. 3 plus 1 is 4. Right? Let's try another example. Let's add 1 1 and 1 1. 1 plus 1 according to the rule says 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 1 again a 0 with a carry 1. 0 plus 1 is a 1. I've completed my addition because I have only 2 bits. So take this carry and write it down here. So it is 110. This is nothing but my 3 in decimal. This is 3 in decimal. This is nothing but my 6 in decimal form. Let's take another example. 100 plus 10. If you have one of the bits is 3 bits number, another is a 2-bit number, make sure that you are writing it like this, and if you want you can precede it with a 0. That is a most significant bit, you can write it as a 0. Don't write a 0 in the least significant bit. It will change the number. So 0 plus 0 according to the rule 0, 0 plus 1 according to the rule 1, 1 plus 0 according to the rule 1. So this is your decimal binary number. In decimal 100 is 4 and 010 is a 2 and 110 is a 6. Alright. Now we can also see some examples with a 4-bit number. So let me take a 4-bit number, a 15 and a 12. So 15 plus 12, I should get my result as 27. 1 plus 0 is a 1. 1 plus 0 according to the rule is a 1. 1 plus 1 according to the rule is a 0 with a carryover. Now 1 plus 1 is a 0 with a carryover and 0 plus 1 is a 1. Since I have completed all 4 bits, there is a carry pending. I write down the carry. So this is my number. We can check whether this number is equal to 27. So let me check here. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. I'll assign the weights 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 4. So it is nothing but 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 cube plus 0 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. Right? This is nothing but 27 to the base 10. Alright. So we can check one last example and we'll wind it up. So let me take an example 110 and 100. A simple one. 0 plus 0 is a 0. 1 plus 0 is a 1. 1 plus 1 is a 0 with a carry over. Take down this carry and write it here. So 100 was a 6. This 110 was a 6 and 100 was a 4. The result is 10. This is nothing but 10. You can check if it is 10 in decimal form. This is in my binary form. So this is about binary addition. If you have any doubt in binary addition, please make sure that you comment in the comment section. And if you like the video and you feel this is useful to you, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your listening.